Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create Kanban board template in Docs. So let's get started with the video. So basically what you need to do is open the Google Docs. Here you have to mention few rows. For example, the first one will be to do. Next one will be in progress, review and done. This will be our columns that we are going to write. In the rows we need to fill the status here. I'll give you the example task. For example, what we need to do is write video script, record voiceover in progress, final editing. In review, we can give that uploaded or video uploaded. And then the task has been done. So you can mention task has been done. So this is how you can manage your Kanban sheet over here. You can write the to-do task, what's right now in progress, what's your review for this, and if it's done, you can also mark it as tick here, or you can mark it as right, however you want to manage it. You can replace this title as well and write my Kanban sheet. And then particularly save the file, go to file section. Here you will get an option that is to share as well. You can share this particular file as well, share with others if you want, and in order to save it, it will automatically get saved. You can share this particular link as well. So this is how you can create your Kanban sheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.